Ring the shape that is different. Circle mo daw yung shape na different. Oh. Ano yung different shape dyan? Different shape. Different. Ito. Anong shape yan? What shape is that?
Triangle.
Very good. Color the shape that is the same as the first one, green. Oh, ano daw yung ka-same shape niya? Ito. Ito, green daw, green. Color mo na ng green. Ano yung same shape niya? Ito.
Oh.
Alin dyan yung same shape? Yan, very good. What shape is that?
Circle.
Very good. Dali, color mo.
A rectangle with a triangle.
Yes. Next. What shape is this?
Rectangle.
Dali, find the same shape. Next, what shape is this?
Oval.
Where's the oval?
Oval. Oval.
Check the shape that goes with the first one. Check mo daw yung same shape nito. Anong shape to? Star?
Yeah.
Dito find mo. Alin dito yung same shape? Check mo. Yan. Next. Anong shape yan? Nasaan yung same shape niya? Dito.
Check.
Saan yung same shape niya? Yan. Ito.
Check.
Anong shape yan?
Diamond.
Nasaan yung same shape niya? Dito. Dito, look. Nasaan yung same shape? Yan. Ito. Nasaan yung same shape niya? Dito. Alin dito yung same shape niya? Alin dyan sa tatlo? Look mo. Nanig ka muna. Which has the same shape as the picture? Color it blue. Ano yung same shape niya?
Triangle.
Okay. Parol. Ano yung same shape niya? Ito. Ayan. Ano yung same shape nito? Ito. Anong shape yan? Half moon.
Huh?
It looks like a half moon, no? Anong same shape niya? Ano to?
Square.
Okay. Clock. Square clock. Connect with the line the two pictures that go together. Ano yung kasama ng socks? Ay, ng shoes. That's for a socks. Very good. Ito naman, itong mommy na may sick. Ano yung niya dapat sa kanya? Crib or wheelchair? Wheelchair. Itong baby. Saan siya dapat? Sa
Crib.
crib. Okay. Circle the picture that goes with the one at the left. Pizza. San siya? Small box o dito sa box na to? Hindi, ito si circle mo. Itong pizza, san ilalagay? Dito o dito? Circle mo. Yan. Sa pizza box. Itong cow's milk. Sa dede o sa base? Milk. San siya? Sa bote o dito? Milk to eh. Saan siya ititimpla? Dito o dito? Circle mo. Very good.
There's a bottle.
Itong banana. Sa pitchel o sa banana's heart? Hindi. Saan siya? Saan siya galing? Ayan. Itong bread. Sugar or cheese? Yung bread, lalagyan mo ng sugar o cheese? Ha? Circle mo. Hindi yung, ito, alin? Sugar or cheese? Sige. Cheese. Okay. Next. Where do the things in the pictures come from? Listen as your teacher reads their names. Color your answer. Yung milk, galing ba siya sa dog or sa Carabao? Ha? Yung milk, galing siya sa Carabao.
Tired.
Opo, yung milk, yung Carabao naglalabas ng milk. Okay? Color mo na yung Carabao.
Color.
Yan. Slowly. Itong egg, saan siya galing? Sa bird or sa chicken?
Chicken.
Chicken. Galing ah. Dali, color mo yung chicken. Yan, brown.
Uh,
Yan, brown.
browning.
Oh, patis. Galing siya sa fish or sa frog? Sa fish or frog?
Frog.
Huh?
Yeah.
No, sa fish. Oh. Yung ginagawang patis, yung fish. Ayan, sige, color mo.
Orange fish.
Listen as your teacher reads these phrases. Ring the correct answer. Dali. A paper and a...
Sun.
A paper and a... Look. Ito, tingnan mo. Pencil. O, circle mo yung pencil. O, next. A table and a...
Chair.
O, circle mo. A spoon and a...
A fork.
Very good.
A circle. Circle.
A stove and a...
A
Frying pan.
circle.
A cup of coffee and a... Small plate.
Small plate.
O, circle mo. Sing this song to the tune of Are You Sleeping? Oh, listen kay Mami. Tell me where, on in under, tell me where the thing is, where is it? Next na, ring or circle the pictures on the right. Box or square the pictures on the left. Oh, circle mo daw lahat ng nasa right. Ito, nasa right. Right. Ito, nasa left.
Square.
Opo, square.
Single.
Circle mo daw to. Circle. Circle. Square. Square. O, circle mo daw lahat ng nasa right. Circle.
Circle.
Circle. Circle.
Circle. Circle.
O, square mo daw yung nasa left. Square. Square. Ayusin mo yung pag-square. Ganun, o. Square.
Square.
Ganun. Pababa.
Square.
Square mo.
Square. Square. Square.
Ayusin mo. Very good. Trace the object with triangular shape. O, trace mo daw yung broken line.
Trace.
Yes, trace it. Hindi slowly lang. Slowly lang. Ito. Ito pa.
Triangles.
Ito. Yan. Slowly sa broken line. Yan. Place the object that looks like a rectangle.
Rectangle.
Trace mo daw yung looks like triangle. Slowly, yung broken line. Slowly, hindi mo na trace, oh.
Trace.
Slowly lang kasi. Yung pa, oh. Yan. Oh, next. Hanap pa ng rectangle shape. Slowly kasi. Madali eh. Oh, saan pa?
One. Rectangle. Down.
Color the objects that looks like a triangle. Oh, color mo daw. Yung triangle dyan.
Papa pencil.
Yan.
Pencil.
Nasaan pa? Ito pa ibang crayon mo. Oh.
I got blue.
What blue? Sige, color mo yung triangle. Ito. Oh. Yung mountain, kulay brown. Yan. Mountain.
Brown.
The objects in the picture are shaped like a rectangle. Name them. What's this? What's this?
Rectangle.
Aquarium.
Corner.
Ito. What's this? What's that?
Table.
Ito.
Kitchen.
Cabinet. Ito.
Classmate.
Blackboard.
Blackboard.
Ito. Ito na.
Hot chocolate.
Very good. Sing this song to the tune of Are You Sleeping? Oh, listen kay Mami. Tell me where, on in under, tell me where the thing is, where is it, the ball is in the basket. Look, so the ball is under the
Ball.
chair.
A chair.
Ito. The ball is
On the bed.
ang galing nga. Ito. Tell where the object is in the picture. The fish is in the aquarium. Ito. The pillow is
On the bed.
ang galing nga. The cat is
Under a chair.
very good. The rat is
In the box.
ang galing nga. The spinning top is in the drawer.
In the drawer.
Listen as your teacher reads the phrases. On the table. On the car. In the cage. In the fishbowl. Under the tree. Under the stairs. Okay? Oh, ito. Connect the line. Ito. On, in, or under. In ba siya? On or under? Ito. In. Ito. The glass is
Go.
on
On.
the table. Ito. Sing this song with your teacher. I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them up so, hold them high so clean and bright. Clap, clap, softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see. O, ikaw nga. I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high so clean and bright. Clap, clap, softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see. Sing this song to the tune of Are You Sleeping? Oh, listen kay Mommy. Tell me where, on in under, tell me where the thing is, where is it, What's that? Huh? What's that? It's a
Egg.
very good. Ibang color naman gamitin mo.
Brown.
Sige na. O, gusto mo green. Ito, green.
Brown. Are you gonna color green?
Dali, color na.
Watermelon.
Wow.
Pakwan.
Pakwan. Anong shape niya?
Watermelon.
Anong shape ng watermelon?
Pakwan.
Oh, what shape is that?
Oh.
Very good.
Circle.